Hello, I'm Nikki, and today is all about the art of the chat.
And I am Ash. Nikki, sometimes people know the words, but they are get stuck when a real person talks to them.
Exactly what we are fixing today. We are moving from questions to answers using scenarios which we actually face in 2026.
We will practice how to keep a conversation going so it doesn't just stop after hello.
Let's start with point number one, the art of small talk.
Small talk and socializing. How to break the ice and keep things friendly.
Question number one, Ash, how has your day been so far?
It's been quite productive. Nikki, how about yours?
Second, Ash, did you catch the news this morning?
No, I miss it. Did anything interesting happen?
Third, Ash, have you seen any good movies lately?
I actually watched a great documentary about AI last night.
4. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I am thinking of checking out the new art gallery.
5. Ash, it's a bit crowded in here, isn't it?
It really is. I think everyone had the same idea today.
6. How do you know the host?
We went to the same university a few years ago.
7. Have you tried the snacks on the table?
No, not yet. But those little sandwiches look delicious.
8. Ash, do you like this music?
Nikki, it is bit loud, but the beat is very catchy.
9. Ash, what brings you this event?
I wanted to meet some new people and practice my English.
10. Do you mind if sit I here?
Not at all. Please join me.
11. Where did you get that jacket?
Thank you. I brought it at a small boutique downtown.
12. Ash, is it always this humid in February?
Lately, the weather has been very unpredictable.
13. Ash, do you come here often?
This is my first time. Actually, what about you?
14. Ash, it was so nice talking to you.
You too. Nikki, let's exchange numbers.
15. Should we grab another drink?
That sounds like a great idea.
Point number 2, shopping and bargaining. Getting what you need at the right price.
Question number 16. Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, I do. Can I help you find something?
Question number 17. Nikki, are you looking for a specific size?
Yes. Do you have this shirt in medium?
18. Nikki, where are the fitting rooms?
They are just past the shoe section on the left.
Question number 19. Nikki, does this dress suit me?
The color is perfect, but it looks a little bit tight.
Question number 20. Nikki, is this item on sale?
Yes, it's currently 30% off the original price.
Question number 21. Sorry, 20. Nikki, is this item on sale?
Yes, it's currently 30% off the original price.
21. Nikki, can I get discount if buy two?
Let me check with my manager, but we usually have a buy one get one idea.
22. Do you take returns?
Yes, as long as you have the receipt and the tags are still on.
23. How would you like to pay?
I will pay with my phone using contactless payment.
24. Do you have this in the other colors?
We haven't in blue, black, and light gray.
25. Do you need a bag for that?
No thanks. I brought my own reusable bag.
25. What is the warranty on this laptop?
It comes with a 2 years manufacturer's warranty.
27. Is this price negotiable?
At this market, you can definitely try to hack a little bit.
28. Can I try this one?
Of course, the mirror is the right behind you.
29. Where do I pay?
I checked out the counter is at the front of the store.
Question number 30. Nikki, do you sell gift cards?
Yes, we have them available at the register.
Very good, Nikki. Point number 3. Direction and navigation. Finding your way around an unfamiliar places.
31. Excuse me, I am bit lost. Can you help me?
Of course. Where are you trying to go?
32. How do I get to the train station?
Go straight for 2 blocks and then turn right.
33. Is the museum far from here?
It's about a 10-minute walk or a very short bus ride.
34. Ash, which bus goes to the city center?
You need the number 42. The stop is right across the street.
35. Ash, is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, there one next to supermarket on the corner.
36. Ash, do I need to take a subway?
It's faster, but the walk is much more since.
37. Ash, what is the best way to the airport?
I recommend taking the express train. It's very reliable.
38. Ash, can I walk there?
Would not recommended it. The road is very busy and has no sidewalk.
39. Ash, is this the right way to the park?
No, you are heading in the opposite direction.
40. Ash, where is the nearest ATM?
There is one inside the bank just around the corner.
41. Ash, how often do this train run?
They usually comes every 15 minutes.
42. Ash, is it on the left or the right?
Nikki, this is Maple Avenue.
43. Ash, what is the name of the street?
This is Maple Avenue.
44. Ash, can you show me on the map?
Sure, we are right here and your destination is here.
45. Ash, thank you for your help.
You are very welcome. Have a safe trip.
Point number 4. Invest, investigation and making plans. Turning etiquettes into the friends.
46. Nikki, are you free on Tuesday evening?
I think so. Why? What happening?
47. Nikki, would you like to go for coffee?
I would love to. Does 4 p.m. work for you?
48. Nikki, do you want to join us for dinner?
That sounds fun. What time should I be there?
49. Nikki, can I bring a friend?
The more the merrier.
50. What should I wear?
It's just a casual get together. So jeans are fine.
51. Where should we meet?
Let's meet in the front of the cinema.
52. Are you interested in seeing a concert?
Definitely. Who is playing?
53. I am sorry, I can't make it.
No problem. Maybe can do it another time.
54. Can we reschedule?
Sure. How about next Thursday instead?
55. What is your phone number?
It's 55102. Text me the details.
56. Are you doing anything tonight?
Just relaxing at home. Do you want to watch a movie?
57. Shall we split the bill?
Let's just go halves. It's easier.
58. Thank you for inviting me.
I'm so glad you come, could you?
59. What time does the party start?
The invest in Invitation says 8 p.m., but the people usually arrive late.
And question number 60, Nikki, was it a good night?
It was perfect. We should do this again soon.
Point number 5, handling problem and emergencies.
Essential phrases for when things go wrong. Question number 61. Excuse me, I have lost my wallet.
Oh no, when was the last time you saw it?
62. Can you help me?
I think you miss your flight. Don't panic. Let's go the help desk together.
63. My phone is dead. Can I use yours?
Of course, here you go.
64. Is there a hospital near here?
Yes, it is about 2 miles away. Do you need an ambulance?
65. I think I am in the wrong place.
Don't worry, let's check the address again.
66. Can you speak more slowly, please?
I am sorry, I will try to slow down.
67. What does this word mean?
It means to hurry up or move quickly.
68. I don't understand. Can you repeat that?
No problem. I was saying that the exit is over there.
69. Ash, help. I have locked my keys in the car.
We should call a locksmith right away.
70. Are you okay? You look pale.
I just feel a little bit lightheaded.
71. Can you call the police?
I am dialing the emergency number now.
72. Is there a lost and found?
Yes, it's located near the security office.
73. I have made a mistake.
It's okay, we can fix it together.
74. Can I borrow your charger?
Yes, it is in my bag.
Ash, thank you for staying with me.
That's what friends are for.
Point number 6. Work and workplace chats. Communicating professionally with colleagues.
Question number 76. Nikki, do you have a minute to talk?
Sure, I am just finishing up an email.
77. Do you finish the report?
It's almost done. I will send it to you by noon.
78. What do you think for the idea?
I think it has a lot of potential. Let's discuss further.
79. Nikki, can we schedule a meeting?
How does Wednesday morning at 10 a.m. sounds?
Question number 80. Are you going to the lunch break now?
Yes, I am starving. Do you want to come?
81. Nikki, how do I use this printer?
You just need to scan your ID card first.
82. Nikki, who is in charge of this project?
Sarah is the lead manager of this one.
83. Nikki, can you give me some feedback?
I think you did a great job on the presentation.
84. Nikki, is the deadline tomorrow?
Yes, we need to submit everything by 5 p.m.
85. Nikki, do you want to some coffee?
I would love some. Thanks. Black with no sugar, please.
86. Nikki, can you help me with the spreadsheet?
I'm not an expert, but I will try to my best.
87. Nikki, are you working late tonight?
I hope not. I have plans later.
88. Nikki, did you see the memo?
Yes, the one about the holiday schedule.
89. Nikki, where is the meeting room?
It's on the third floor, room 302.
Question number 90. Have a great evening.
You too, Ash. See you tomorrow.
Very good, Nikki. Point number 7. Reaching final 100 question. Celebrating your conversation skills.
Question number 91. Ash, are we at question 91?
We are so close to big 100 questions.
92. Do you feel more confident speaking now?
I feel like I can handle almost any situation.
93. Ash, what is question 93?
What was the hardest conversation you ever had?
94. Ash, was it English?
Yes, but I go through it.
95. Are the listeners practicing out loud?
I really hope so because that's the secret.
96. Ash, only 4 more.
We are almost there.
97. Ash, will next part about travel?
Yes, we are going to talk about booking airport and hotels.
98. Are you ready to finish?
I am ready to the milestone.
99. What is question 99?
Are you a conversation master?
And 100. Ash, what is 100 question?
Nikki, it is. Are you ready to go to talk the world?
Yes, Ash, I am more than ready.
Very good, Nikki.
Ash, we did it. 100 questions. Our listeners are become truly fluent in conversation.
Nikki, the almost important things is to not be afraid of making mistakes. Every conversation is a lesson.
To everyone listening, try to use one of these questions today. Ask a friend, a co-worker, or even yourself in the mirror.
If you reach 100 questions today, comment I can talk below in comment section.
Subs-
Nikki and I want to hear your stories.
Subscribe to
Learn
Learn
English
English
together.
Together. Like the videos and keep that conversation flowing.
And don't forget to share with your friends. You're doing amazing. Don't stop now.
See you in next part.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.